start with washing the minced chicken. Add some turmeric, chili powder and garam masala and mix it well. Add some lemon juice too. In the meanwhile, boil some potatoes. So we would need onion, tomato, chilies and garlic and some ginger too, finely chopped. These are the whole spices needed. Now let's start cooking. Add oil, add the spices and stir it well. Now add the onion. Add chopped ginger garlic. Add turmeric powder, chili powder and some garam masala. Add the tomatoes. Now add the boiled potatoes too. Add the minced chicken. Now add some water and keep it to boil. Add the green chilies, salt as per taste. Add finely chopped coriander leaves. Now the chicken keema is ready to eat.